I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is a tips and tricks video on how to live stream using the Omlet Arcade application. In this video, we're going to go over on how to save your live stream video to your device. So you go to the Go Live button. Now this is for any live stream, if it's YouTube, Twitch, or the Omlet app. This is the Omlet app that I'm currently under. This is YouTube, and this is under Twitch. It will be under the same setting. So let's just start with Twitch, because most people live stream on Twitch. It's still the same setting for all three. But then we go to the next button. And in this video, we want to save the video from the live stream. Just in case if the live stream doesn't get, literally 1,000 views or many views, you could use the video on YouTube. You could use the video on Twitter. You could use the video on Instagram, or you could use the video on TikTok. So you go to your stream settings right here under settings, and the last option will be save to device. So you just want to click this and you want to save your video to your device. As I said, just to use the video for Twitch, not for Twitch, but you can save it for TikTok. You want to put up a quick 1 to 3 minute video, or if you want to put up some videos on YouTube, you could still put the video up on YouTube. It's very helpful, especially, like I said, if you don't get the most viewers in your live stream. If you don't save the video, then, maybe the 5 or 10 people who did view the video, that's the only people who will ever see the video, and you won't be able to use any of the clips from the live stream. Live streams are usually an hour to 2 hours. You probably get really good highlights that you could put up on Twitch, or what I keep saying Twitch, on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Twitter, right? So under your stream settings, you want to save it to your device. Now, obviously, you want to pay attention to how much space you have on your phone. I personally, for some reason on my phone, it is easier. It takes up less space for me to live stream and save to device than just if I was just recording the video. So if I was just going to record let's say an hour video of me playing Mario Kart Tour without live stream, if I was just recording it, it seemed like it would take up more space for some reason. I don't know why, but that's just for my phone. But you do want to keep an eye on your storage space. But when I live stream and when I hit this button and save it to device, it does take up less space for some reason. But you should keep in mind how much space you have if you can save the video to your device. As I mentioned, this is still under, we can still abandon these settings. And it will still be under, that was under Twitch. You can go under YouTube. And then, I didn't save the settings, but you would have to save it to your device. It's very helpful. Like I said, if the live stream isn't the most successful in the world, if you didn't get thousands of views, save the video to your device. If you live stream for an hour or 2 hours, save the video to your device and put up some of the highlights of the hour or two of live stream on your TikTok. Put it up on your YouTube channel, put it up on Instagram, and put it up on Facebook or Twitter or any other site you want to use it on. It's very helpful for highlights. As I said, some people aren't going to watch a 2-hour live stream, but if you can get you're going to get some pretty good highlights from your videos. Put them up on different social media sites. So this is how to save to device. As I said, you go to your stream settings. The last option will be save to device. Obviously, keep in mind how much space you have on your phone. As I said, on my phone, it takes less space when I live stream and save it to my device than if I just recorded it. But that's just for my phone. I'm Jason. The world is yours. This is how to live stream on the Omlet application. This was tips and tricks how to save the video to your device under stream settings, save to device. Keep in mind how much space you have on your phone. I'm Jason. The world is yours. Thank you for watching.